So here we have the side A, B and C of a triangle ABC given as A equals 18, B equals 24 and C equals 30. This means that for the triangle ABC, if we consider the letters A, B and C in lowercase, these are going to represent the sides BC, CA and AB of the triangle ABC respectively. Or we can say these are the sides opposite to angle A, B and C. So here it's given that A corresponds to 18 units, B corresponds to 24 units and C corresponds to 30 units. Using this information, we need to find out the following. So we'll first begin by finding out the area of the triangle. Now, in order to find out the area of the triangle, there's one key information that we need here. We'll need to find out the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, the semi-perimeter of a triangle is defined as we take the perimeter of the triangle first, which is A plus B plus C, and then we have to take the half of that value. Now that's going to give us the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now A, that's 18 will be added to 24 and that will be added to 30 divided by 2, and this gives us the value of the semi-perimeter of the triangle as 36. We're going to use this value. Let's come to the first part of the problem. That means area of the triangle ABC. We've already derived this, the area of a triangle. It's given by the Heron's formula. So we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, we need to take the semi-perimeter S multiplied to it be S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So let's use the value here. So here we have S given by, we already computed this value. So that's 36. So 36 will get multiplied to 36 minus A value, that's 18. Multiplied to 36 minus B, so that's 24. Multiplied to 36 minus the C value, so that's 3. So we'll use a calculator to compute this value, and this comes out to be 216 square units. So this is going to be the area of the given triangle. Now we'll try to find out the remaining trig functions. Let's find out the value of the trigonometric function sine of angle A over 2. Now there's a standard formula. We have already derived it. It's given by the square root of S minus B multiplied to S minus C whole divided by BC. Now let's substitute the value for ABC as well as S. So S here corresponds to 36. So we have 36 minus B, so that's 24, multiplied to 36 minus C value, so that's 30, whole divided by B times C, so that's 24 multiplied to 30. So this is going to give us a value 1 divided by square root of 10. So this is going to be the value of the trig function sine of angle A over 2. Let's go to the third part of the problem. So here we need to find out cosine of angle A over 2. The cosine of A over 2, that also has a standard formula given by the square root of S multiplied to S minus A divided by BC. So this is going to be equals to, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, we'll start with the semi-perimeter, so that's 36. Multiplied to it will be 36 minus A, so that's 18. Divided by 24 into 30. So this should give us a value 3 over square root of 10. Then finding the fourth one is an extremely easy task. So we need to find out tangent of A over 2. So we can use the standard formula. So we have already derived a formula for finding out the tangent of angle A over 2. So that's given by square root of S minus B multiplied to S minus C divided by S times S minus A. So we can substitute the value for S, or what we can do, this is also equivalent to take the ratio of sine of angle A over 2 divided by cosine of angle A over 2. Either way, we're going to get the same result. So this is going to be equals to 1 over 3. Next, let's try to find out the value of sine of angle A. Now, sine of angle A can be also expressed as 2 times sine of A over 2 times cosine of A over 2. We have already computed sine of A over 2 and cosine of A over 2. That is going to give us 2 multiplied to 1 over square root of 10 multiplied to 3 over square root of 10. So this is going to be 6 over 10, or we can say 3 over 5. So that's going to be the value of sine of angle. Then coming to the sixth part of the problem, we need to find out cosine of angle A. So cosine of angle A, so that's given by cosine squared A over 2 minus sine squared A over 2. Let's substitute the value. So cosine square a over 2, that's going to be 9 over 10 minus sine square a over 2. So that's going to be 1 over 10. So this is going to give us a value equals to 8 over 10, or we can say it's going to be 4 over 5. So this is going to be the value of cosine of angle A. And then finally, we need to find out tangent of angle A. So tangent of angle A, so this is given by sine of angle A over cosine of angle A. So let's substitute the value of sine A over cosine of A, and that should give us a value 3 over